Hi everyone, my name is Ruchita, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So today's video is all about Myntra's haul. So what I'm trying to do is, you may already read about Myntra e-commerce site. So I'm trying to show you a few of my selections from Myntra, and you can decide, whether you would like to go with that particular product or not. So without any delay, let's start the video. So the very first product which I would like to show you is a dress. So it's a sky blue kind of an dress. So yeah, so this is the one. Okay, so it has beautiful balloon sleeves. Maybe this is the only one dress which has this balloon style sleeves in my wardrobe, but I really like this one. And it has a single tie over here, nothing to with it, this is just for a style. And the major highlight of this dress is it has a beautiful fit over here that will definitely give you a good shape. So huge recommendation guys, this is one of my favorite ever, and it has a proper length of knee length, maybe little more upper than the knee, like you can see it here. So you can pair up the same with white shoes. That is my style actually, I really like things with white shoes. So yeah, this is the one. Hope you like this one. So this is the back style, we don't have any length over here, but this is the complete product over here. So definitely a must try item. I'll give you the link which is there in the I'll post the link in the description box. I'll post the link in the description box. So let's go to the next product. So this is my second dress. So it is a black color plain dress, and the material is polyester. It has a full length. If you see, it has a full length over here, and the lining length is till the knees, and it has a beautiful flare too. And it has balloon sleeves, and you can the attractive thing about this particular dress is you can use it as offshore too. And sorry, offshore, that is coming from my career language. So you can use it as an off shoulder too, and you have a beautiful back, square style back you are having. And this belt is not with this dress, this is a separate purchase. You will be definitely getting a belt with this particular cloth. I'm not that much liking, I don't like that kind of a belt, so that is the reason I use this one. And I pair up with this kind of a black beautiful choker. So this is not a Myntra purchase, this is from a different e-commerce. So I'll definitely post you my jewelry collections too. So I hope you like this one. This is actually very less cost, like 700 or something. Like I'll definitely post you the cost of this particular gown. And under 700, under 1000, you're getting this kind of a good quality dress that you can only find in Myntra, and which is very much good. I really appreciate this one. And guys, if it is summer in your place, don't worry about it. Usually I knew that we usually don't prefer black dresses during summer, but this one is completely fine since it doesn't, it is not that much hot or something like that. It is very much neutral, so you can definitely get this one in your wardrobe. This is good actually, I like this one. So please try this one, and let's go to the next one. Next is a workwear, like a crop top with a pencil fit skirt. So this has a very high neck with a beautiful gray color. Gray is one of my favorite color. And second thing is, yeah, the cloth waist, this is little more hotter side, in summer I won't prefer, since it's a workwear. Like usually in the offices and all, you may find some AZs and you may didn't got trouble with this dress, but when you comes outside you may face some sort of a difficulty. The cloth has that structure, that kind of a structure, but for winter it is a perfect one. In if you can pair it with a blazer and all, it will look very cool. Okay, so let me show you the long side look. So it comes up with a crop top along with a pencil fit skirt, So the skirt has a beautiful slit over here in the side, and it is not that much a big slit, it's a very simple slit. And you have a little bit skin showing over here that you can adjust with any other, you know, dress items you can wear inside, or the waist you can keep it as like this is not that much exposing kind of a style. And it has a beautiful hook over here. I didn't place it right now because it's very hot in Delhi, so I didn't place it over there. And we have a beautiful, you know, high neck, and if you wore your ID card and all, this will look awesome. So you will definitely try this one. And you know what, the great thing is, when I just purchased this only cost me 939 rupees. Right now the cost is 1200. Maybe, you know, some sales section time you can definitely take the advantages and get this in a very cheap price. And in this price, this is a very good you know, purchase. I'm really happy with it. So let's go to the next product. So the next product is a shrug. So this is a green color shrug. It has a check design. So yeah, shrug is something which is very much, it will give you a tomboy kind of a look, which I really like to. And I just pair up with one crop top and one of my black joggers. So, and also I'm wearing my white shoes here. So this shrug didn't have any sort of a pocket or not a buttons also, but this is very thin in material, and it is very much perfectly suited for summers. So if you are wearing some, you know, deep neck dresses and deep neck tops, and also this will definitely give you a very good look, smart look. And I am actually a very big fan of tomboy style. Do not misunderstood with my bindi. Actually, bindi is, we Keralite, we use bindis, and I'm a fan of it. So whether I'm wearing western or traditional, I always keep my bindi on. So yeah, so coming back to the dress, this is very thin cloth, and it is very much suitable for summer. I definitely recommend it, you guys. So those who really like this kind of a style, you can definitely try this one. And it cost around me 500 or something. I'm not remembering the cost, guys, so I'll definitely give you the links description below. So let's move to the next one. So guys, next is a simple t-shirt. This is a blue color t-shirt which I'm wearing right now. So this cost me 356, but this is definitely a best purchase. If you see, it has a very big very good fitting, and it goes well with the joggers and the white t-shirts too. And this will give you a beautiful you know, casual look. And this is the biggest recommendation, guys. I usually like this kind of a style, so you must try this one. And I am pairing up with, this is a medium size one, and it really fits me well. So let's go to the next one. Sorry, let's go to the next video.